Well, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to get the 1-2 synchronizer and gear assemblies loose with the materials that I have here. I'll show you why. What we need to do is come in with the flat side of this bearing puller. The flat side of this would meet up against the flat side of this gear. When we do that, we've got to be careful that we don't get this collar. This collar is part of the output shaft. We don't want to press against that. We want to press against the gear itself. And then my intention was to use this long snap-on puller assembly in place of a vise. But you can see here, it's just an inch or two too short for the application that I've got. So I'm going to have to request access to the college. Either I'll take this apart on a press up at the college and video it for you there, or I'll get some longer extensions for the puller if we have those available. So, I said, unfortunately, with this setup that I plan to use tonight, I'm not going to be able to get the 1-2 synchronizer assembly apart, but it's going to come apart similar to what the 3-4 did.